Hello, in front of me I have ALCATEL OneTouch Go Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, press on the Go button right here to open the menu. Now you can scroll through this menu by swiping left or right on the screen. Scroll all the way to the right side of the menu. And right here you have this airplane mode icon. To enable the airplane mode, simply tap on this icon. It should say airplane mode on, and the icon should change it should not be crossed out. That means that the airplane mode is enabled. And to disable the airplane mode, you can simply tap on this icon again. And it should say airplane mode off, as you can see. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.